Hi, I will explain about train etiquette in Japan in 1 minute in this video. Japanese trains follow not strict laws, but cultural rules based on respecting other people's comfort. Keep your voice low. Phone calls are not allowed, and conversations should be quiet. Many passengers prefer a calm and peaceful environment. Don't block the doors. Stand on the side so people can get on and off smoothly. This small habit keeps everything efficient. Priority seats etiquette. Priority seats are for people who may need extra support. Pregnant passengers, elderly people, and those with disabilities or medical conditions. If you're sitting there, be ready to offer your seat. And always keep your phone in silent mode near this area. Backpacks in front or down. During busy times, carry your backpack on your front or place it at your feet. To avoid bumping into others and save space. Line up properly. Stand behind the lines on the platform, let passengers exit first. And follow the queue when boarding. These cultural habits help trains in Japan stay comfortable for everyone. Please subscribe and like this video.